Kung paano mo tinalay.
Madumi ba, te?
Yan, ibig sabihin, patay. Ganun.
Oo. Maliwanag ba, te? Magdidiliman ako.
Oo, maliwanag.
Okay.
Yan na yung pinakamaliwanag. Mababa kasi ang ano niya, brightness.
Next game, ANTM. Dami nyo, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lumabas ng ano.
Pakailamero.
Kikita.
First position para sa AMTN.
Ay, tinapon agad.
Nabubuan.
Puri setting the play. Pass to Cuevas. Back to Puri. Two. Manalese Bates. Pass to Cuevas for 3. No good. Revandi Ramos. 2 points for Ramos. Skyabra. Pass to Reyes. 3 to 3. Manalese. Manalese ang bunyong diskarte. Sumalaksak. Pass to Azares. There's a whistle. Foul. Substitution. First personal foul. First team foul. First throw, no good. Second throw, ready jumpers. 1 out of 2. 3 throws.
Yung bago ka ulit.
Fernando setting the play. Pass to Lopez. There's a turnover.
Stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop.
Chavez setting the play.
Bakit yung sinasabi ng Chavez?
Oo, yun.
Azares. Pass to
Malaki daw.
Chavez. To Azares. No good. Rewandi Lopez. Pass to Skynadia.
Sayang ang film sa mga to.
There's a turnover.
Sige, mamaya mo na na-delete eh.
I-airdrop ko na lang ngayon.
Chavez. Pass to Ramos for 3. Ramos. 3. Andrade setting the play. Pass to Reyes. Reyes for 3. No good. Revandi Ramos.
Tatama din naman sa ring eh.
Ay, bobo.
Sinandal. 2 points for Andrade.
Reported lahat ha.
Chavez, pass to Puri, 15 to shoot. Pass to Ramos for 3. No good, Revandi Reyes. Pass to Matsuyuin, to Lopez. To Skynadia. Skynadia to Matsuyuin. The turnover. Chavez setting the play. Pass to Puri sa gitna. There's a whistle. Foul. Foul committed to person number 15, Reyes. First personal foul. Second team foul. Shot clock, 15.
Wala, nawawala na siya ng signal.
Puri. No good. Rewando Lopez. Pass to Andrade. Andan. To Scanavia, 2 points. Official score, 6-4. In favor of Steamworks.
Nalimutan.
Puri. It's a traveling violation. Andan. It's a foul. Individuals number 2, Chavez.
Artista!
Second personal foul. Okay, deliver the 20. Pass to Azares. Azares. Pass to Manalese. Manalese forward fuerza. There's a reset. Foul, committed to person number 8, Skynapia. First personal foul, 13 foul. 2 throws for Manalese. First throw is good, second throw, ready jumpers. Two out of 2, 3 throws. Skynapia, setting the play. Skynapia Pugasa, Pastor Lopez to Skynapia. Steal the lead, Azares. Azares penetrates, pass to Chavez. Chavez. 2 points for Chavez. And 1.
Nakashoot din!
Pass to Skynapia. To Antal.
Foul lang!
Antal, pass to Reyes. 2 points for Reyes.
Panis ako eh. Si Jay, wag ganun! Obvious!
Azares. Still ni Lopez. Pass to Skynapia to Lopez. To Antal. 2 points for Antal. Puri, setting the play. Alas by Lopez. Puri na walang bola. Pass to Chavez. Chavez penetrates. Nawala. Emerson Vincent. Who's foul ulit? Foul committed to person number 8. Second personal foul. Running for penalty. 2 throws for Chavez. First throw. No good. Second throw. Ready jumpers.
May anak na sila? May anak na. Nag-chismis pa rin.
71.
Stop, stop, stop.
Substitution, right? Pursuing to Skynapia.
Magagabi ba lang ba? O
Alam mo,
mag-uulan?
dalawang quarter na naglaro eh.
Skynapia po ang ball. To Kingship. Pass to pursuing to Skynapia. 2 points for Skynapia.
O ano na, deadlock na.
Puri. Pass to Azares to Ramos. To Kingship. Ramos for 3. No good. They want to Puri. And it's a turnover. Del patake ng jersey. Pasok po si Rui. No good. They want to let it. And there's a Vincent. Who's power? Five coming to the jersey number 82. Manalese. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 throws for Lopez. First throw. No good. Second throw. And the jumpers. Okay, deliver the Puri. Pass to Sison. Sison. Pass to Manalese. 15 to shoot. Manalese setting the play. Manalese penetrates. Manalese fakes. It's a 3 seconds violation.
Counted.
Timeout is Humors. Official score, all 10. Remaining time, 1 minute and 32 seconds.
Andyan. Yo, nakapatay.
And back, set the play, pass to Skernabia. 15 to shoot. Skernabia to Andal. Andal for 3. Okay, dalawa ng Castillo. Castillo Andal. Okay, dalawa ng Andal.
Wait, tumang ito.
Ibang din Amos. Pass to Azares. Azares. Pass to Castillo to Manalese for 3. Manalese, 3.
Pag sinundan ko.
Ganun pang video yan.
Andal, setting the play. Pastor Reyes. Reyes. Sumalaksak. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Ibang din Amos.
Push back, dapat Jun, dapat Jun. Go, go, push.
Manalese. Pass to Azares. Azares from Brasa. Steal. Pass to Andal. Andal. Pass to Reyes. For 3. Okay, very good. Season. Pass to Azares. It's a turnover. Substitution ulit.
Ang dilim.
Tira ng press. Ayaw bumwersa.
American 2 minutes and 10. Andal.
Pwede
Wait, may
pigilan.
pa-star. Thank you sa nag-star. Nag-star, nabigay ng star.
Kaya nga eh. Sana.
Lopez pa rin. Correct.
Sa akin kanina wala
Kanina
nang
meron.
game.
Yeah, 2 points.
Wala. Sarte lang.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 45. Manalese. 10 to shoot. Pass to Manalese fakes. 5. Manalese 2 points. Lucky guy setting the play.
Hanggang dun siya tumakbo. May video.
Hindi ka na makareklamo.
15 to shoot. Pass to Oxyuin to Lopez for 3. Okay, there is no Ramos. Ramos pass to Manalese. Manalese. Pass to Cesar. To Castillo. There's a weekend. Who's corner? Foul. Committed by just number 26. Lucky guy. First personal foul. Penalty.
Mamaya.
First foul no good.
Gino, labas mo na Gino. Nakasab na. Sige, nakasab na pala Kuya Ray. Nakasab na daw.
Nabasira.
One and two, free throws.
Hindi, binawasan. Na ano kasi yun, namimiss ka.
Score
Lucky guy.
12-16.
15 to shoot. Lucky guy pa rin. 10. Okay. Single. Substitution. Shot clock, 7 seconds.
Wala yung aking binibidyo.
Wala naman te.
Matibag plays. Matibag
Meron lang
plays.
pero hindi ko pa suswim.
12-16. 12-16 ang score.
20% shot clock violation.
Score remaining.
12-16. 136.
Pastor Ramos. Ramos, guarded by Laitay. Ramos. Roberto Mizel. Who's foul red? Foul committed to jersey number 26. Second personal foul penalty.
Dalawa pa po. Hanggang second quarter po, dalawa.
First row is good. Second row, ready blockers. AMTN. Official score 18-12 in favor of Steelers. Remaining time 1 minute and 26 seconds.
Bukas pa lang kami yung pasok na kami suspended. First day of school.
Pinahawak mo kasi sa marunong eh.
Foul, possession number 28.
Deliver sa salamin.
Smile ka lang po.
First personal foul penalty.
Rodel, smile daw, sabi ni Yayang.
Dami ah. Kung ako yan, hindi ko nare-review yan.
First row.
Kaya nga, parang uulan ng
Wala,
malakas.
hindi ko na rin babasahin.
First row is good. Second row, ready blockers.
Patapusin nyo na to.
Hindi, may ako ginagamit sa isang copy paste ko doon. Ano sinasabi na lang. Sabay-sabay na.
Ano sinuli?
2 out of 2 for Ramos.
I-copy paste ko, papasama rin ko sa iyo.
Lariban. Pastores. 2 points for Reyes. Remaining time exactly 1 minute. Castillo. Pastipuri. Puri penetrates. It's a turnover.
Kung mo si Kuya, naka-review din, sumisigaw din.
Laiban. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. No good. Given to Ramos. Ramos. Nakalusot. Ramos shot. There's a Mizel. Who's fouled, right? Foul to there's number 4, Rosales. Penalty. First personal foul penalty. No good. Second throw, ready jumpers.
Shoutout sa 11K viewers!
1 out of 2 for Ramos.
Back-away na tayo. Ano ba tayo back-away?
Ano?
Hey, that's right up. Season is up, 2 points.
Wait lang. Sir. Lakas ng ulan. Bakit gumalaw ka? Cancel na.
Yung cellphone mo rin. Ay, grabe yan.
Anyari? Sorry po. Kaya nga.
Nasa na! Nasa na!
Maglimas na!